Hey guys, this is just a big cube guy. Today I'm gonna be teaching about Rubik's cube tricks. So if you have a friend like who doesn't know about Rubik's cube, and they say like, "Oh my God, I don't know how to solve a Rubik's cube," then you go with that guy, with your friend or your mom, dad, brother, sister, whatever, and tell them that I know though I can show you. So this tricks that I'm gonna show you, it's they are easy tricks and they're so cool that the thing has I haven't solved this cube my first cube that I have in my whole entire life. So let's get started. So the first trick that you're going to do is is gonna use 4 moves. So it will be, I think I'm gonna be wrong. It will be right, uh, up, right prime, up prime. I think so. Those moves it will be da, da, and da. Then you're gonna keep doing it until it will be solved. It's a really cool trick. I've been practicing this tricks for weeks. No, not weeks, days, and then I got it worked. It worked. Then I'm gonna show you how I really do it. Hold on. Okay, there. My camera always does that. So hold on for a second. Okay. So this is what I've been doing. Like I'm not like a really good speed cuber. I just got started. My first Rubik's cube in the world. Okay, the second trick is this. It will be a long trick, but we're gonna use only 2 moves. It will be up, left, right, yeah, up, left, right. You guys click in the comments if I'm wrong, if I am wrong with the names of the moves like that. So it will be that. This will be a long one, so if your friends or your family, someone from your family are patient, then you can do it. It's a cool trick though, a little bit longer, but if you know more than me though for Rubik's cube, then you can do it faster because I suck on this. Oh jeez, my hands is tired. So you're gonna keep doing this left, maybe up, left, right, up, left, right. I'm gonna keep doing this until it's solved. See? Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna make another trick, but this one will be for this one will not gonna be like the first two that I just made. The first two that I just made. This one will be a trick that is gonna look that is completely completely unsolved. You're only going to do right prime. I think is down prime, left prime, and up prime. I think you only do that, and that. You can do a lot of times if you want to, but the point of this trick is that it's gonna look 100% unsolved. Then the only thing that you need to do is go backwards. as long if you remember though. Then you're only gonna get doing this and then take this off. So that's it for today. Then I hope you guys will like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And thank you so much. And see you later.